Hi, I am Su Hong. Today, I am introducing two meta programs. The Permeable meta program versus the Impermeable meta program. Ready to play a small game first? We have a scenario for you. You have a thought about something that you strongly believe. Your friend gives you all sort of evidence that this belief does not work. How would you respond to him? A. Yes, I will change my mind. Or B. No, no matter what, I will not change my mind. If you choose A, you probably have permeable thinking metaprogram. If you choose B, you probably have an impermeable thinking metaprogram. What are the characteristics of an impermeable thinking metaprogram? People tend to view them as stubborn. They will not change their mind no matter what. Impermeable thinkers think they have firm stance. They think their beliefs are right and should work for all occasions. They cannot be persuaded easily. They usually think other people's beliefs are not workable. Does any of the above characteristics fit you? Then, what are the characteristics of permeable thinking metaprograms? They change their mind easily even with little evidence. Sometimes, there are many different opinions from others, and they will hesitate as to which ones to switch to. When there are many similar opinions to choose from, they tend to replace one another very quickly. It might give people the impression that they are uncertain themselves. Does any of these characteristics fit you? Let's see how these can be used in coaching context. How would you recognize such meta-program in your coaching session? If you have client with impermeable thinking meta-program, after you have installed new beliefs in the session, he will most probably switch back to his original beliefs. It is not easy to replace his old thoughts. He likes to use words that are absolute, such as,
"This is without any question."
He will tend to tell you that he is very sure he is right about things he believes in. So, listen carefully to those words they use. What about the client with permeable thinking metaprogram? They will tell you they are being easily convinced by others. They could not make up their mind. Because there are many different opinions offered to them. When all solutions seem workable to them, they may keep changing their mind about something. So, if you are a coach, what can you do with clients having such meta-programs? For client with impermeable thinking meta-program, ask ecology questions about having this kind of thinking pattern. Does it serve you well? Does it enhance your life? This will awaken his awareness towards his kind of thinking pattern. It is difficult for impermeable thinker to change their thoughts. A big change might be uncomfortable for him. So, sometimes we may have to ask him to try on small variations on their thoughts to see the effects. What about the client with permeable thinking metaprogram? Permeable thinking client has problems deciding which opinions to use. By mapping out those thinkings or experiences that are influencing his decisions, it may allow him to see clearly which is the most suitable one. Sometimes, we need to ask ecology questions to awaken him about his thinking pattern. Client may not be aware that his belief can easily be affected by little evidence.
That is amazing. My next question is, can we change our meta program?
Well, all of us have both meta programs available in our mind. We only need to stretch them to either side of the meta program. Then, we can be flexible in using them for the desired context.
Interesting. How can we stretch them?
There are 6 ways to expand the meta program. Check it out in Figuring Out People, written by Dr. Michael Hall and Dr. Bob Bodenhammer. You can also find 60 meta programs sorted in 4 categories. This makes it easy to comprehend each and every meta program. That's all for today's presentation. Hope you liked this video. And thank you for watching. Bye for now.